So I'm back, and I've got a new arrival. As you can see, I'm already starting to strip it down. I'm at the little workshop. Here we go, little ET4125. You can see I'm just about to test the coil because it doesn't have a spark. But everything else, he says, doesn't work. But other than that, it's fine. It's in nice condition for one of these anyway. This is a 97 bike, I think, as far as I can remember. It's got the brown key. It's got 5,000 miles with all the history. And it's, it's pretty presentable, because these really, if these had any real use, especially around London, they're battered by now. So to be honest, I picked this up locally for not a lot of money, and just to give me something to do, really. The Alvis is waiting for the painter to be, available, and there's not much I can do on it. It's also quite a long way away from here. I'm ending up being in London more at the moment, so I basically bought this so I had something to do up here rather than having to go down to virtually the coast all the time. The BMW GS that I'm doing is in near the coast, down in Arundel, and it's not finished yet, but there isn't much left to do to it, and I know I'm not going to get there for a bit, so I thought I would pick something up locally just to do some spannering on. So that's it. This is it. I have given it a clean, but as you can see, it's pretty good, actually. I need to do lots of things, like open up this headlight thing and dry it all out and reseal it, because you can see there's some water got in there. It doesn't have a battery cover. It's got the wrong battery, although it's a battery that will spin it. It works perfectly well, it's just the wrong size. So I'll probably get a good one when I know that everything is working properly. It must be the only one of these left in London that's actually got a seat lock that works. So that's a surprise, because they all got broken within days of people buying them back when I was selling these many years ago. Anyway, there you go. So it's a little update. I know I'm not filming as much as I was, which is a bit of a shame, because but life's taken over a bit. January I always hate, and I actually ended up going away for a bit and getting some warmer weather, and now I'm back to work as well. I haven't got so much time, but there you go, little update, and I'll keep you posted on this new little project.